Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna get into Bloxburg. So I think I haven't recorded a video in Bloxburg. Well, I have recorded videos, but they came out wrong, so I haven't posted. I'm pretty sure, and I'm pretty sure I haven't posted one, but this one's gonna be posted. I'm just gonna give you a tour of my houses. Not my houses. I only have one house. And I'm working on something else. And I'm sorry, guys, I haven't posted in a while. It's just I ran out of ideas and then they popped in my head. Or I was just too lazy. So, we're going to get into Bloxburg right now. See this school thing that says The School? I will show you guys that when it's done. And I'll come back to another video when it's done to show you guys. But for now, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do this one, and this is my huge house. It's pretty much like a mansion, but first have a look at this beauty. First, for the sakes of this video, I want to be running around, so we're gonna do that. Power up. Now I'm all good. So right here, guys, I know my interior is bad because I can't do no material because I don't have a computer. I'm doing this on my phone like I always have, but it's pretty nice if you ask me. It's pretty nice. So I have these chairs. This is the living room, and I have a TV. So yeah. But and then I love to read in Bloxburg. So there you go. Over here is my kitchen. I have I'm just gonna turn it off here real quick. I have this little thing where I can put a cake, then tea maker. I might grab a cup of tea, and a smoothie maker with that. Bloxburg has had a new update, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. Some hot pepper that's making my hair hot. Then this is where you sit and eat for dinner. And it's a little mop because you gotta make sure your house is squeaky clean. Over here is where I do my laundry. I'm gonna do this laundry real quick because I haven't actually been in this house for a while. I've actually been working on the school for a while, so I haven't really checked up on my house for a long time. Oh, and guys, I'm also when I'm doing this boring laundry, I'm gonna start talking about stuff on my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna start showing more Bloxburg videos. I haven't posted a Gotcha Life video in a long time, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna post more Fleet Facility videos because I really haven't did that in a while. And I might start doing live streams, but I'm not gonna show my face because we haven't hit 100 likes yet. So yeah, but it'll just be me playing with my LOLs because I do have LOLs at home and stuff. Now let's get to the top with my laundry. Guys, if you hear somebody in the background, it's my dad. He's right next to me. Say hi.
Hello.
So yeah. And so this is my room. Let me put this laundry away. And it's my bed. I picked black because if you guys don't know, black is my favorite color. And red. And right here is where my computer is. I can play this game and other games, but let's not get into that, or I'll be here all day just playing games. And my favorite animal is cats, if you guys don't know, so I have a cool cat right here up on my bed. And this is my huge, well, it's not that huge, but it's a wardrobe. And if you go over here, my bathroom, I can use the bathroom here. And I can take a shower, well, a bath. Oh, I love baths. And I can wash my hands and brush my teeth, do all that. And this is my makeup wardrobe. This is actually, my mirror is kind of white. I don't know why my mirror is white right now, but I will have to fix that one day. Try to see what's wrong with it and like my makeup. Now I'm gonna head to the guest room. The guest room is actually pretty nice for a guest room. So just in case you're a kid and you're my guest, I don't want you to be bored, so I have a TV for you guys to play. Small TV, but it works. And then these toys. And you each get your own clothes and books. And I said I love cats, so there's a cat. And this is the bathroom. There's 2 sinks. Show you guys that they work good. A shower. Another shower. And these are the toilets. Kind of hard to get on these toilets, but it's pretty easy once you get used to it. Okay. And guys, comment down below comment down below this emoji. I'm about to pick out an emoji, guys. If you see, comment down below this emoji. I'm gonna get the emoji. Comment down below a smile emoji or a cool shade emoji or just a thumbs up and if you guys have no emojis, just say hi in the comments if you want my dad to get Roblox and play this game with me. And he heard that, so if you guys put that down below, we will do it. Yep, that's him. And right here, I told you guys I love reading in Bloxburg. So, of course, I have a library up here. And I have no backyard, sadly, because I didn't think about getting a backyard. Now, because the video is not that long, it's only 7 minutes, we're going to see what's wrong with my... What did I just do? We're going to see what's wrong. Guys, do you know what the sweeper thing does? Because I certainly don't know, but whatever. It's whatever. See, nothing's wrong with it. It's just white. Okay, I'm just going to delete that real quick. And I'm going to get a new mirror. So guys, I'm going to say the outro when I'm looking for a mirror. So, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Leave a like on this video. Hit those notification bells so you guys get notified every time I record a video. And I hope you like and subscribe. Leave a like on this video. And there's one last thing I'm supposed to say, I think. Alright. Have a great night, great day, wherever you are in this world. And guess I'm not gonna have like a mirror, and have a dance party every day. And I know you guys are stuck at home, so you guys can watch my videos to entertain. Goodbye. Have a great day. Bye.